Aysha from the channel Aysha Begum, and today we're going to be testing these new products from Superdrug. So first we're going to try out these new products from Sanctuary Sleep, and they're only exclusive to Superdrug. The first one is the Sanctuary Sleep Spa Relaxing Night Body Butter. Oh my god, it smells absolutely amazing. So then we're going to test out this Sleep Dream Easy Pillow Mist. That smells absolutely amazing. I can definitely tell it will calm me down, and I love the lavender in it. So next we're going to try the Bourjois Lipsticks, and these look like my cup of tea. So I'm going to pick out one of these nude shades because I can definitely tell I will love it. This number is in 24 and I'm going to try it on for you guys if it comes off. And it has that beautiful curve in it, so I can tell it'll be super easy. I absolutely love it. So comfortable, super creamy, and the color is so me. So next we're going to try this new MUA gradient highlighting palette. So I'm going to go ahead with this shade right here. I definitely feel like this will suit a lot of different other skin tones as well. So I'm using a fan brush to apply that. And look at that, it's absolutely stunning. So next we're going to try these Barry nail varnishes, which are only exclusive to Superdrug. I know which one's calling my name. This one right here. I'm going to try this on my nail and look at the beautiful hue it has. I can tell it's going to look amazing. So you definitely have to build a couple of layers of this, but I absolutely love the finish. Like you can see the blue and the purple. It gives me mermaid vibes. Next we're going to try out this perfume, and it's in the name Pure XS, and can I just say I absolutely love the packaging. Bougie vibes. This packaging, oh my god, she is stunning. Not only does it look stunning, it smells amazing. It definitely gives me those vanilla notes. So next we're going to go onto this everyday essential product, and this moisturizer is a hydrating moisturizer for dry or super dry skin, and we're going to put this on our hand and test it out. Yes, exactly how I imagine it. It does not have any scent. I can tell it's like a super thick consistency, so it's going to be really moisturizing. So next we're going to try out these bubble tea bath bombs, which are again, that was nice, again exclusive to Superdrug. They smell so good. They smell like sweets, and let's just pop her in. I love bath bombs. So if I had to pick, my favorites is gonna have to be these two right here. I definitely love the formulation of the lipstick. It's so comfortable on the lips. I love the color. It really suits my tan skin tone. And then this perfume, I mean, look at it. It's amazing. The smell is amazing. The packaging is amazing. I might have to take this home. For more Just Landed videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Bye!